Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها. When the earth is shaken with its final earthquake. This verse speaks about the day of judgment. It describes a powerful, terrifying shake that will strike the earth. A shaking unlike any other. It is the final earthquake that marks the beginning of the end. وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها. And the earth will throw out its burdens. The earth will release everything hidden inside, bodies, secrets, treasures. All the deeds buried beneath will be exposed. Nothing will remain hidden. وقال الإنسان ما لها. And man will say, what is the matter with it? People will be shocked and terrified. They won't recognize the earth as it trembles violently. They'll wonder what is happening. It will be a moment of confusion and fear. يومئذ تحدث أخبارها. That day it will report its news. The earth will speak. It will testify about what people did on it. Every step, every deed. The ground itself will be a witness, recording what happened upon it. بأن ربك أوحى لها. Because your Lord has commanded it. The earth obeys because Allah commands it. Every tremor, every movement, by His order. Nothing happens except with His will. يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم. That day, the people will depart separated into categories to be shown the result of their deeds. Humanity rises from their graves, scattered like swarming locusts. Every soul rushing forward, unable to look back, all heading to see their deeds laid bare. فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ. So, whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it. No good deed is too small, even the weight of an atom. Every act of kindness will be seen. The reward will never be lost. وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَهُ. And whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it. Even the smallest wrong will be revealed. Nothing escapes the record. Justice will be absolute. You've learned the meaning, now feel the beauty. Let's listen to the full recitation of Surah Az-Zalzalah. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. Write a comment below if you loved the content or tell us which surah you'd like us to explain next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.